to get your people money off hold. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the two easy methods to get your people money off hold. Method 1. Ask the sender to confirm receipt. First, you need to share this video with the person who sent you the money. Ask them to open the PayPal transaction and click on confirm receipt. This option may take some time to appear. Once they confirm receipt, the money will be released to your PayPal account immediately. If this method did not work, you can go through the method 2, that is, wait for the whole period. If the sender doesn't confirm receipt, you will need to wait up to 21 days. After 21 days, or sooner in some cases, the money will automatically be released if there are no disputes or refunds. The tip is, you need to prevent money from being put on hold. Ask the sender to select friends and family instead of goods and services when sending payments. Payments sent through friends and family won't go on hold and are processed instantly. So that is how we can easily get our people money off hold. If you find this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.